This is one of 2 plants being built in Denmark in 2019 due to a decrease in the pork or swine production. A lot of grain was used there for the feed, but now a lot is used for export, and that's why we need new export terminals where we can ship the grain. We have these silos here, which are flat bottom silos. There are 4 of them. They can store 8,000 tons each. Then we have 6 smaller silos, which are operating silos, and they can store about 1,400 tons each.
So this is a port terminal where we handle bulk product. It's wheat, barley, maybe some rapeseed. All the product comes in with trucks, and the loading capacity is approximately 300 tons per hour.
The grain will be cleaned from impurities and dried from moist, and then intermediate stored, and then conveyed and loaded onto ships.
We are pleased with the functionality of the NORD drives. We receive grain with 300 tons per hour, and we are able to take out up to 600 tons per hour. And that was the main requirement for our silo system, and that requirement has been fulfilled.
NORD drives is installed all over the plant. The main task is actually on the conveying equipment. We have horizontal conveying and vertical conveying. But besides that, we have a lot of drives on gates, on valves, on our ventilators, so they are all over.
In the end, we found that the solution from Lachenmeier was both design-wise, functionality-wise, and also cost-wise the most attractive one. So in the end, the choice was actually easy for us.
Energy saving is an important issue. For example, like the grain dryer. According to a normal or to a conventional grain drying process, in this grain dryer we have a saving about 15% of energy. That's quite a lot. Of course, the quality is good because we very rarely demand any service to any of the gear motors, so it's a good product.
We've been working with NORD for 10-20 years, and it's our preferred partner within drive systems.